Alright, welcome back. This is the first episode in my Road to 10k series, where I'm going to be documenting my journey to hitting 10,000 total Shopify sales. September just wrapped up and it was a great month, both in growth and consistency. So in this video, I'll break down exactly how the month went, show you the data and compare it to August so we can see what's improving and what still needs work. So we had 487 orders in total. That's up about 40% compared to August. So profit jumped to $11,444, which is a 33% increase month over month. Average fulfillment time stayed roughly the same as expected with Printful, to be honest. It's just over 2 days. And my average Printful price cost per order was $18.72. A little quick side note, a few days into October and I've actually hit the £100,000 of sales. This was actually my goal for the entirety of 2025, and at the time it seemed like a pretty optimistic goal. So to have it ticked off so early, sort of in October, that's pretty cool. If you want to see my exact strategy, then check out my previous video. I explain it all over there. There'll be a link to that at the end of this video. Alright, in terms of products, the main design just doesn't really quit. It's actually been my best seller for the last 4 months now, and I've sold 261 just in September, which is pretty crazy when you compare that to second place on the sellers list. Second place, only 50 sold. So it just goes to show the importance of testing new designs. This surprises me every month, to be honest, but yet again the front prints are always way more popular, which is strange to me, as at the start of this I really thought the back prints were like the thing, but maybe that's just a UK thing, I don't know. Okay, daily breakdown. So looking at the day-by-day stats, you can see this massive spike around September the 12th. This was the best day of the month with 59 orders and over $1,300 of profit in a single day. That day alone basically carried that week. That was the only $1,000 day this month though. And then our lowest day was September the 7th with only $80 profit. Second half of the month was a lot steadier. If you zoom out, the pattern looks a lot healthier compared to August. Less volatility, more steady growth, exactly what I want to see. Alright, the Instagram page, that's been growing steadily. Crossed over 50k followers now, so pretty happy with that. I've got around 9 million views throughout September. I'm still sticking with my routine of posting 5 times a week, so Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. This schedule's working pretty well for me, and it means I have time to work on other projects like this channel. This beginning period of YouTube is brutal. I think my previous video is sitting at 8 views, but I'm determined to get it off the ground. So yeah, please hit like and subscribe if you can. It would actually mean the world to me. Quick comparison to the previous month. So in August, as I mentioned before, I was actually in Greece for about half the month, so I wasn't really grinding the social media side as hard as I did this month. Therefore August ended with 370 orders and $9,073 of profit. In September again, 487 orders, $11,444 of profit. So yeah, around 26% month over month profit increase, which is awesome to see. Okay, so what's next? My goal for October is simple: keep the momentum going, optimize my best sellers. I want to experiment with a couple of new designs. The Christmas season is almost here, and that's a great time to sort of capitalize on that. Normally December and January are my best months. I'm still not spending a penny on ads. The dream is to hit that Shopify 10k sales award completely organically. I've had quite a lot of success so far without spending money on ads, so who knows, once I've hit the 10k sales, I might play around with some ads. We'll see. If I keep averaging around 500 orders per month, I'll probably reach that milestone before Christmas 2026. But ideally, I'm hoping to get there way sooner. So there we have it. That was September 2025. As always, I'd love to answer any questions you have, so leave them in the comments below. I'd love to help some of you guys out if you're just starting with a print-on-demand Shopify store or any other Shopify store, really. I've also created a Discord server, so if you're interested in that, that might be a good place to hang out, share ideas, post some wins, all of that sort of stuff. So look for the link in the description if you fancy joining. Video ideas would also be greatly appreciated too, so leave them below. If you found this video interesting, hit the subscribe button. I'll be posting monthly recaps just like this one. However, I'll also be posting weekly videos sharing my knowledge on building Shopify stores, growing Instagram accounts, all of that good stuff. So stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next one.